Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic video editing in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut mobile application and I'm going to split my video. I'm going to split it right here. Okay, just like that. Wait guys. Oops. Alright, and I'm going to apply fade in and fade out animation to my video to create cinematic effect. I'm gonna tap on my first clip and then I'm going to go to the animation and select the fade in animation, and then we can adjust the duration like so. And for the fade out animation, I'm going to adjust the duration as well, and I'm going to apply fade in and fade out animation to all the clips I have. You can do it one by one like this until the rest of your clips. Okay, adjust the duration for this one as well. Go to the animation. Oops, it's done. And this one, go to animation, select fade in and fade out. Wait guys. Okay, this one, fade in, fade out. Okay, and I'm not gonna do it until the rest of my video because this is just for an example and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, it looks more cinematic, right? Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a cinematic video editing in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.